Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to let you know about some of the upcoming classes that I have. The first one is a wax play. Here's one of my lovely wax play candles. Webinar going on Tuesday, March 31st. And that is going to be from 7 until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this class is a little bit shorter, so it'll only be, an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're going to allow for questions and stuff like that. And so it will be at a slightly reduced rate just because it is a bit of a shorter one. The next class is going to be on Sunday, April the 5th, and we are going to be talking about orgasm control, denial, and chastity. Now, I have a male chastity device here, or a penis chastity device, I should say, because we know that it's not only men who have penises. However, this class is open to people of all genders, and if you want to do that type of play with a person who has a vulva, I will be covering those items as well. I just don't happen to have a good chastity device for people with vulvas because they're hard to find. It's really hard to find a good one. So we've got one for penises. Anyways, that class is going to be happening, as I said, on Sunday, April 5th. That will be from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. So it is a 3-hour class. And we're going to, we won't have any specific demos because that's a little harder to do. And I will get in a lot of trouble for having nudity on that type of a thing. But we will still be, having lots of different toys and talking about things like that. And I've got lots of stuff to show you guys and to share with you as far as that goes. So you can find access to the tickets will be down in the description box below. And yes, I think Sage may join me for a few of these, so that will be fun as well. But yeah. I will see you guys in the next video, or perhaps at one of the classes.